Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Web of Science and signing in with institutional credentials. This gives full citation data. Once signed in, focus on the author search field because you want only that author's record. Enter the author's last name and initials, add known affiliations to narrow results, and include common name variants to catch all publications. You're doing this now to avoid missing items that artificially lower the H index. The platform's author grouping depends on clean, precise input. Once you've selected the most likely author profile, verify publications by checking affiliations and co-authors. Mismatches mean the record is incomplete. Use filters for years and document types to exclude non-relevant works, because the H index counts only indexed items. Then open the author record page, where Web of Science aggregates citation counts and displays citation reports. This step consolidates articles and citations, so the H-index calculation reflects. Now click Create Citation Report. Web of Science computes the H-index from the verified set of publications and shows it alongside citation distribution. Make sure to scan the list of included papers. If some are missing, add variants or adjust filters and regenerate the report, because omissions change the H value. If you still see errors, merge duplicate author records or request a data correction from your institution. Troubleshooting tip: when numbers don't match expected totals, double-check name variants and affiliation filters first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.